Tesla launches Thailand's first supercharger station. Tesla has officially launched its first supercharger station in Thailand, just after the first official batch of vehicles arrived in the country. Tesla has launched the long-awaited supercharger station in Thailand, along with the official start of vehicle deliveries to the country. The supercharger station is located at Central World in Bangkok. It includes 9 250 kilowatts, V3 superchargers that operate 24/7, according to Blink Drive, which follows EV News in Thailand. Central World is one of Bangkok's largest malls, making it the perfect location for a Tesla supercharger station. While the cars are charging, owners can relax at cafes or shops. Central World is centrally located and easily accessible from major roads. The launch of the first supercharger station in Thailand is an important milestone for the company. It comes right after a major event, the official start of deliveries of Tesla vehicles to the country. On February 11th, the happy customers began taking deliveries of their long-awaited vehicles. The first batch is believed to consist of about 2,000 Model 3s and Model Ys, with the second batch scheduled for delivery in the second quarter of 2023. It is reported that in the first days after the launch of the Tesla online configurator in Thailand, about 5,000 orders were placed. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: another market that Tesla will soon take over. Tesla executive meets with Foreign Minister of Mexico. A Tesla executive met with the Foreign Minister of Mexico, adding confidence that the company still intends to open a manufacturing facility in the country. The minister said that more good news regarding this would be coming soon. Mexican Foreign Minister Marcelo Ebrard met with Rohan Patel, Director of Business Development at Tesla, on Tuesday. He shared the news via his Twitter account, announcing the meeting and adding that good news would be coming soon, translated from Spanish. The meeting was also attended by Eugenio Grandio, Director of the Market in Mexico. I appreciate the visit of Rohan Patel, Director of Business Development of Tesla, as well as Eugenio Grandio, Director of Market in Mexico. More good news coming soon. Agradezco la visita de Rohan Patel, Director de Desarrollo de Negocios de Tesla así como de Eugenio Grandio, Director de Mercado en Mexico. Pronto habrá más buenas noticias. Pic. Marcelo Ebrard C. February 14, 2023. The Minister of Foreign Affairs did not give details of the meeting and topics for discussion. However, it is obvious that it directly concerned Tesla, one of whose executives were present there. The meeting was closed and without access for the press. The wait for Tesla to set up a manufacturing facility in Mexico has been going on since last October after Elon Musk visited Nuevo León, where he met with local officials. In addition, President Andrés Manuel López Obrador indicated last week that Tesla is considering two possibilities to settle in the country. In the north, in Nuevo León, or in the state of Hidalgo, near the Felipe Ángeles International Airport, AFA. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: it's looking more and more like the next gigafactory will be in Mexico. Tesla short sellers suffer 7.6 billion losses in 30 days, as stock continues to strengthen. Tesla short sellers suffered $7.6 billion in losses in 30 days, according to S3 Partners. The manufacturer's shares continue to strengthen and have risen by 70% over the past 30 days, making it the least profitable short. Investors betting against Tesla stock have already begun to take a beating in 2023 as the stock is up 110% from its January 6 low. Losses by short sellers betting against Tesla have risen to $7.6 billion over the past month, making it the least profitable short position for hedge funds, according to S3 Partners, reported Markets Insider. The rapid month-to-month rise in Tesla shares has already taken away half of the profits that short sellers made last year by betting against the company. At the end of December, short sellers made a $15 billion profit in 2022, making Tesla the most profitable short of the year. However, the situation changed dramatically in early 2023. Tesla reported strong financial and operating results for 2022. In addition, the The decline in prices for Tesla vehicles around the world caused an increase in demand, which was positive news that stimulated faith in the company. Elon Musk confirmed the manufacturer's long-term growth target of 50% per year. In addition, Investor Day will be held on March 1st, which will feature Master Plan 3 and the third-generation vehicle platform. On the opposite side of the bearish Tesla trade among hedge funds are retail investors. According to recent data from Vanda Research, Tesla continues to draw unprecedented retail flows. We believe that retail traders are currently chasing momentum in the stock, aiming to recoup 2022 losses, Vanda wrote in a note last week. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: don't bet against Elon. If you do, you risk financial ruin. Tesla shook up the industry and accelerated processes and decisions, Ferrari CEO says. Tesla shook up the industry and accelerated processes and decisions, Ferrari CEO says. He believes that Tesla has become a wake-up call for the entire automotive industry. Tesla is certainly the one who turned the automotive industry around and actually created the electric vehicle segment. Prior to the company's inception, electric vehicles were not seen as real cars capable of becoming equal to traditional combustion engine cars and were more often the subject of ridicule. Its usefulness was not considered further than that of a golf cart. However, Tesla quickly changed that, and in less than 20 years of its existence, not only created electric vehicles but made them desirable, which became the key to the development of the entire electric vehicle sector. Tesla's assertiveness and the desire of consumers to own electric cars stimulated legacy automakers to start development programs for their own EVs. Ferrari CEO Benedetto Vigna acknowledges this, and even shared a few praises for the company's efforts, recognizing that Tesla was the one that changed the entire industry, according to Bloomberg. Speaking at Ferrari's Maranello headquarters, Vigna noted that Tesla is accelerating change within an industry steeped in engine cylinders, referring to the drive to develop electric vehicles. He also spoke about the fact that Ferrari will switch to batteries from internal combustion engines in their cars, emphasizing Tesla's contribution to the development and distribution of electric vehicles. Vigna said Tesla was a wake-up call for the automotive industry, shaking it up and speeding up processes and decisions. The big contribution that Tesla has made to the automotive industry? It was a wake-up call. Things used to happen too slowly. Tesla shook up the industry and accelerated processes and decisions. They were faster and more agile. He also noted that he sees Tesla cars as functional vehicles capable of taking people from one point to another. It is worth bearing in mind that Tesla's goal is to produce 20 million vehicles a year by 2030, which will replace ICE vehicles. This is exactly what will radically reduce environmental pollution and accelerate the transition of the world to sustainable energy. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: Tesla changed the auto industry forever. Those companies that evolve might survive.